Okay, we're going to replace the drop links on the mk4 Mondeo. If you remember in the previous video where I've done the wishbones, I was going to undo this, the drop link, so I could lift the bracket up at the back here to lift up, so I could put the actual rear bush into place. However, it kept spinning and I couldn't get it no further than this, because you've got an either 5 or 6 mil Allen key in the middle here, and all that was doing was slipping, and it's making it really difficult for me to undo it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a pair of mole grips and I'm going to wedge it into the back, and I'm going to hopefully be able to crack it off. So we've got replacement drop links for both sides, so I'll do them. So let's set the camera up and get this job done. The plan is a pair of grips on the back, and hopefully I'll be able to pinch it. And then buzz it off with a 15 mil. I will apologise for the background noise, there's some work going on still. So let's get the buzz gun and see if I can buzz this off. There we go. Come off easy. And now all I've got to do is the one at the bottom. Okay, so the one down the back, down at the bottom is just here. I'm going to put some penetrant fluid on it, give it a 2 or 3 minutes, then we'll try and crack this one off as well. Okay, it's had a few minutes to soak in some penetrant. I'm going to clean up around the bolt and the nut, just to give it the best chance of coming off of there. Some more penetrant on it. Now I've got a 15 mil socket. I'll just try and crack it off if I can. Oh, the light's in the way. The camera's in the way and all, to be honest. Let's see. That moves, so hopefully it's not spinning yet. That's spinning. You can see that spinning in here. If you watch here, you can see spinning in place. So that'll hold it. Okay, so using your 15 mil spanner, there we go. Then there's a lot of noise around here today. Get a different 15 mil. Right, I've got a ratchet spanner on it, so should be able to do that by hand now. Lovely. That just slides out. And there it is, one knackered drop link. Like so. Got the new one here, so it's all good. Let's get it in the same way. You might need a pry bar on this bit just to push down on the sway bar a bit. So did I bring one out? Nope, I'll go and grab one. So just got a small sway bar. Move the camera down a little bit. Let me show you where I'm actually using to pry it. Okay, so we've got the bottom one in, as you see. Now to get the top one in, you might need a small pry bar, just to give you a bit of levy between the subframe and the sway bar. Just enough to, you don't need to bring it down a great deal. But just, these new ones are really firm, so that's just how you want them really. There you go. Put the bracket back in and do it up. They're a bit bigger than the old 15, so I believe there could be a 17. Yep. Here we go, that's the top one done. Same with the bottom one, and that's another job done. So let's get the bottom one done up. There you go. I'll put the torque settings, as always, in the description. I sometimes tend to forget to do that, so if there's any videos you see, so if there's ever dirty lens, so if there's any videos I've ever forgotten to put the torque settings in, by all means let me know and I'll sort it all out for you. I know there are a few out there that I have forgotten to do that. But that's the drop links all done on the Mark IV Mondeo. Quite an easy, straightforward job, and I just got the passenger side to do now. So if you like the video, be sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe and all that palaver. And all I've got left to do now on this car, for maintenance wise, is the outer tie rod ends. And that should be the last couple of videos for this car. I am working on this car and DST at the same time, but the videos, how I'm doing them now, they're every 2 weeks. Seems to work good for me. So I'm already, like I say, I'm already working as we speak. Time of this video, work on both cars. So the ST is coming up in probably about 6 weeks. So you'll see that coming back onto the channel. And what I'm doing with that is I'm going to be doing the subframe on the back of the car like I've done the front. Whilst I'm there, I'm going to be probably replacing all the rear shocks, check all the brake lines and everything like that. And just give the rear subframe a treatment like I've done the front one. So until the next video, bye for now. Thanks for watching.